Make money on Amazon in 2020. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce. Year over year, Amazon sees growth of 25% to 31%, smashing competitors like eBay who only see growth in the single digits. There are tons of great ways to make money on Amazon, so to help you find what method might work best for you, this article dives into 8 killer ways to make money on Amazon in 2020. 1. Do seasonal work for Amazon with Camper Force. It's called Camper Force, and it brings together a community of enthusiastic RVers. Long story short, you can drive around the country, work a quick job in an Amazon warehouse, get paid, and then head to your next RV vacation destination. 2. Offer your services through Amazon Services. Amazon isn't just a platform for e-commerce. They're jumping on board the gig economy, too. Essentially, Amazon Services allows entrepreneurs to sell their services online. So, if you're a plumber, a lawn care specialist, a dog walker, or a piano teacher, Amazon Services can help connect you to people who want your help. 3. Trade in unwanted items with Amazon's trade-in program. Again, Amazon's trade-in program isn't so much a way to make money as it is a way to earn credit by exchanging old stuff. But, for the most part, I've seen Amazon give roughly 25% of the product's original retail price as credit. The biggest drawback to this program is that Amazon doesn't want just any old junk. They are selective about what you can trade in. 4. Handcraft your own items to sell on Amazon. A few people I spoke with noted that Amazon's fees are higher than some of their competitors, like Etsy and eBay. However, Amazon brings a much larger audience, so it balances out. A gifted artisan can expect to make $30 or more per day with Amazon Handmade. 5. Join the Mechanical Turk program. Amazon Mechanical Turk (M-Turk) is a crowdsourcing marketplace. Amazon has a little program with a funny name called Mechanical Turk (M-Turk). Whether it's data validation, research, or participating in surveys, Mechanical Turk works as a hub for outsourced tasks. While the name might imply artificial intelligence, Mechanical Turk is actually the combined efforts of hundreds and thousands of remote workers like you. 6. Work from home as an Amazon rep. Amazon is quickly becoming one of the largest employers in the world. Following their purchase of Whole Foods in 2017, Amazon now has approximately 650,000 employees. Naturally, not all of those employees work at Amazon's headquarters in Seattle, Washington. In fact, many of Amazon's employees are remote employees who work from the comfort of their own home. 7. Buy on eBay to sell on Amazon. Frankly, I've never been a huge fan of retail arbitrage. It feels like a lot of work for very little return. However, I do enjoy online arbitrage, which is very similar to retail arbitrage. What's different is that online arbitrage means you're buying products to flip on Amazon from other e-commerce stores. And, in my opinion, eBay is the best place to find those products. 8. Deliver goods for Amazon. By now, you probably know that Amazon has its own delivery service. But did you know that you can join Amazon's delivery fleet as a driver? They might even pay you $10,000 to get started. Amazon's Flex program allows you to do just that. All you have to do is answer a quick questionnaire, download their app, and, if you're accepted, you start making money. Think of it as Uber, but for Amazon deliveries. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.